Yeah,
You're
me
always
too.
hungry.
Me too.
Mom's also hungry, so you...
Yeah, I'm hungry as well.
Oh, you're hungry as well.
Hello.
Yeah. So, as you
And
can
my
see,
feet look amazing.
that storm finally arrived.
Uh-huh.
It is raining water door.
Oh, Harris.
So, hello Isla.
Hey, Dad, you put the jerry cans out. It's raining. It's water.
We're having an inside day today. It is our last day.
Put it under this. Yeah, put it under this part.
And the rain is finally here. Right. You absolute thought.
I'm not wet.
No, not at all.
Me neither. I pee today. I'm not wet. Look at me. I'm hungry. I'm not wet. Look. I'm not wet.
And say hi to Grandma and Granddad.
Hello. I'm not wet at all.
So, yes, it does rain here. It is winter. It's not all beach days.